ready for a culinary adventure. We're diving into the world of steamed chicken dumplings. These little parcels are packed with flavor and a delight to make. Imagine sinking your teeth into succulent chicken and vegetables, all encased in a delicate steamed wrapper. That's what we're aiming for today, pure culinary bliss. Let's get started, shall we? Before we embark on this delicious journey, let's gather our ingredients. For the filling, you'll need ground chicken, finely chopped Napa cabbage, grated ginger, minced garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Don't forget the dumpling wrappers, easily found in the refrigerated aisle of Asian supermarkets. And for the dipping sauce, we'll need soy sauce, rice vinegar, a touch of sesame oil, and a sprinkle of chili flakes for a fiery kick. Now let's create the star of the show, the filling. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a delicious core that will make your dumplings unforgettable. In a large bowl, combine the ground chicken, Napa cabbage, ginger, and garlic. These ingredients form the base of our filling, providing a perfect balance of protein and freshness. Mix them well with your hands. This ensures that all the flavors meld together, creating a harmonious blend that will be the heart of your dumpling. Now, for a burst of flavor, add the soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper. These seasonings will elevate the taste, adding depth and complexity to the filling. Mix it all up again, ensuring every ingredient is well incorporated. This step is crucial as it guarantees that every bite of the dumpling is packed with flavor. Remember, the better the mix, the tastier the dumpling. Take your time to blend everything thoroughly, as this will make a significant difference in the final taste. You can even add finely chopped spring onions or a sprinkle of Chinese 5-spice powder for an extra flavor dimension. These additions can provide a unique twist, making your dumplings stand out even more. Section 4. The Art of the Fold. In this section, we will delve into the intricate and beautiful process of folding dumplings, a skill that combines both art and technique. Lay out your dumpling wrappers on a clean surface. Make sure they are evenly spaced and ready for the filling. Place a spoonful of the flavorful filling in the center of each wrapper. Be careful not to overfill, as this can make the folding process more difficult. Now, for the fun part, the folding. This is where your creativity and precision come into play. Dip your finger in water and moisten the edges of the wrapper. This helps to seal the dumpling securely. Fold the wrapper in half, creating a semicircle, and pinch the edges to seal. Ensure that the edges are tightly sealed to prevent any filling from leaking out during cooking. Now, here's a trick. Make small pleats along the curved edge of the dumpling. This technique not only adds a decorative touch, but also ensures a better seal. This not only looks beautiful, but also helps the dumpling cook evenly. The pleats allow steam to circulate, cooking the dumpling thoroughly. Repeat this with the remaining wrappers and filling. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be folding dumplings like a pro. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Section 5. The Steaming Ritual. This is a crucial step in many traditional recipes, where the magic of steam transforms raw ingredients into delicious, tender bites. Fill a large pot or wok with about an inch of water and bring it to a boil. The water should be just enough to create steam without touching the food directly. Place a steamer basket inside the pot, ensuring the water doesn't touch the bottom of the basket. This setup allows the steam to circulate freely, cooking the food evenly. Carefully arrange your beautifully folded dumplings in the steamer basket, leaving a little space between each one. This spacing ensures that the steam can reach all sides of the dumplings, cooking them uniformly. Cover the pot with a lid and let the dumplings steam for about 10 to 12 minutes. The lid traps the steam inside, creating a hot, moist environment that cooks the dumplings to perfection. You'll know they're ready when the wrappers turn translucent and the filling is cooked through. The translucency of the wrappers is a visual cue that the dumplings are done, and the filling should be hot and tender. Section 6. A Dipping Sauce Symphony. While the dumplings are steaming, let's whip up a quick and easy dipping sauce. In a small bowl, combine soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Mix well. For those who like a bit of heat, add a pinch of chili flakes. This dipping sauce, with its perfect balance of salty, sour, and savory flavors, will elevate the taste of your dumplings to a whole new level. Section 7. From kitchen to table, savoring your masterpiece. And there you have it, a steaming basket of homemade chicken dumplings ready to be devoured. Carefully remove the dumplings from the steamer basket and serve them hot with your freshly made dipping sauce. These delightful parcels are perfect as an appetizer, a light lunch, or even a satisfying dinner. So go ahead, take a bite, and savor the symphony of flavors. You've earned it. Thanks for joining us on this dumpling adventure. If you love this recipe, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tasty Minds, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!